What if you could transform your YouTube into a thriving business while using the free tools at your fingertips? Stick around because I will show you how to do it. So whether you're just starting or have been grinding for years, success on YouTube doesn't have to feel impossible. With the right tools, strategies, and mindset, anyone can grow on YouTube. And I'm here to prove it. Yo, what's up? It's your one and only Stotimon, and welcome to Stotimon's Solutions, the channel where creators and business owners like you learn to elevate their YouTube and business presence with tips, tricks, and hacks that actually work. But we're not stopping there. We'll also dive into free AI tools that you can start using today to save you time, to create better content, but most importantly, to monetize your creativity for free. YouTube remains one of the most lucrative platforms to create a living. We've seen recently over these past few months alone, that people who are just starting channels are getting monetized within a month or a few months. We've seen long-term channels explode to get hundreds of millions of views and make tens of thousands of dollars a month. I've taken my channels and my clients' channels to 10x and beyond, and even to 10K a month. On this channel, we will be going through YouTube growth strategies like that entail SEO, how to use trends correctly, and how to compel engagement on your videos. We will also be going over AI tools and how to use them effectively. We will be dealing with monetization hacks and step-by-step guides on how you can achieve this for yourself for free. I'll also be showing you on how you can automate your YouTube workflow for free with AI tools, so don't miss out. The tools I'll be using and showcasing on this channel are like Comfy UI, Pinocchio, image generators, video generators, everything that can help you get started and monetize it and earn an income from home and basically build a business online. Imagine creating video scripts, editing thumbnails, or planning content faster than ever. I'll show you how to personalize ChatGPT to not sound so robotic and make all this possible for you. Imagine using an image generator for free. The images you generate could be sold as artworks or even print on demand, thereby creating a side gig for you or even a stable income which you can earn from home. I'll be showcasing all these tools step by step on how you can use them for free and also turn it into an online business where you can earn from home. If you're ready to take your YouTube and business to the next level, why not work with me directly? Whether you need a strategy session, a channel audit, or just guidance on how to monetize your content, I've got you covered. Check the links in the description to book a free consultation call with me today. Thank you for stopping by Stotimon's Solutions, your go-to for starting to mastering YouTube business and AI solutions. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for weekly content. Don't forget to turn notifications on so you never miss a video. And let's grow together one solution at a time.